would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. My name is Aarti. My father's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar. I am from Hosi. I am learning English from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to tell about the role of mother in shopping counter. There is a singing behind a successful man. There is a hand of a woman. The woman is a another. Then our mother, my mother, always. ऊपर जिसका अंत नहीं, ऊपर जिसका अंत नहीं, उसे आसमां कहते हैं। ऊपर जिसका अंत नहीं, उसे आसमां कहते हैं। और इस जहां में जिसका अंत नहीं, और इस जहां में जिसका अंत नहीं, उसे माँ कहते हैं। Thank you for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.